Okay, the last thing in the software after you ringing hands is a finalized character. If you click the finalized character, it's calculating rigid skin and calculate everything for creating an animation, and it's ready to go. And then you can test lots of animations. Okay, as you can see, this is our animation. It's the ideal animation. Here is the timeline. You can just simple 10th frame. This pose. You can test different position for your animation. Body. Don't forget, these pose and animation are not exportable. It means in this software, you have two ways that I explain. You have to export your FBX file because this software only create a bone and joint for you, not animation. This is just for testing. For example, testing the hand animation, hand folding. Let's see. It's closes his hands, moving. Nice. Everything is correct. And for example, you can acting. You can test walking animation, and then you can listen for female walking. Here you can select the body part, for example, head, for example, this hand, and also you can change the position of X, Y, and Z of that. For example, Z. As you can see, you can make it inside, more outside, or Y for more moving, or X. You have to find the best access for changing. That's it. Or you can reset if you want, or you can click reset here, or you can select this part from here, and just you can change the position of them. For example, these hands, make a Z in this direction to avoid from its body. Okay, you have to export. So as you can see, we have lots of export. Simply export. You can export your FBX file, import your FBX file, or save iAvatar. That you can open this boning, this file that it's created bone and joint to iClone or Character Creator, two other software of Revolution company that create AccuRIG. Don't forget, if you open in your 3D software, you have to choose which software do you want. And as you can see, we have a nice rig that you have to create handles or anything, or some editing in your 3D software that you want. If you export FBX, as you can see, you have to select a target application, Unreal Engine, Unity, Motion Blur, Blender, or Cinema 4D. And then you can export it if you want. Or export USD or iAvatar. If you have a character that is exactly like this, you can come to File and save ActorCore data. You can change that all of this. You can save all of this data that you create for your character and import it to other character. And another thing that you have to create is upload to ActorCore. For that, I want to export other character and beginning from the scratch. For next lesson, we import another character. Okay, we import Super Mario character and rigging. As you can see, it's exactly at the middle, and here you can load auto rig data for a same character. Rig body, Everything is correct. It's more simple. I think it's a 3-finger, yeah, or more. You have to see that. And as you can see, this software does its works correctly and nice, but we have to change this. Select the mirror, and as you can see, it has to be there in the folding of hand, and it has to be there. Yeah, it's very important. Don't forget, as you can see, because of the midpoint placement, it's placed at the middle. You can come to front. Everything here is a nice. Yeah, it has to be under its nose. It's correct. Where? Oh, it has to be there. It's correct. Nice. Everything is nice. Going to, oh, finger. How many finger? Yeah, 5. 5-finger. And waiting for creating that. Okay, this is a finger. Because it's because of texture, I increased the number of the opacity to better seeing that. Everything is right for this. Nice, everything is right. This works very well. In the other hand, just can reset if you want. Or for the thumbnail, change it. You can go to the other hand, thumbnail, change it, left hand. Everything is done, and then finalize character. As you can see, this software does its jobs very well, and you have to just going next, and some editing and tweaking the model and waiting for calculations. Nice. This is our animation. I think I have to select body, this part. I think I change it in the Z direction to it's very in its body. This in this direction. Everything is nice. Oh, as you can see, because of its, you can just export your model FBX. Don't worry about them. For seeing this part, you have to change in them. You do not, you cannot change all of this. Just it's export this file with some bones. And don't worry about that because it's low poly. You see some this effects. You have to go to your software and make them smooth because it's a real low poly object. Don't worry about that. Acting, yeah. As you can see, we have some problem. It's very simple. You can come back at the body and let's tweaking some things. As you can see, they are not aligned well because they have to align well. It has to be there and it has to be somewhere here. And then you can go to check animation. It's very simple. You can click and go back to your body and hand rigging. Let's calculate again. Now it's correct. Nice. Okay, the body. Can change. Nice. Select it and change the Z direction in this. Okay, everything is nice for this. And after instead of export in FBX with no animation, you can upload your character to ActorCore. Just click on this button and it's uploading. It's in our ActorCore website. And don't forget, you have to create an account in AccuRIG website. It's the Icolon, Revolution Icolon, or Revolution company integrated website. They're waiting for upload, and I see you in ActorCore website. Okay, this is an ActorCore website that you can purchase a lots of motion and character here and give to your character. If you upload your character, you can come to free, and let's load. As you can see, we have a lots of category here, and you can download the free character that we are working on it, and or free packages. Yeah, these are free. You can, my internet, as you can see, you can download lots of free animation there. For example, here, lots of motion that you can attach to your character. You have to come to the motion and the free section. If you select actor, motion, AccuRIG, it has a different situation there. Okay, you can come to actor in a upload actor, and as you can see, this is our Mario character that we upload. In some cases, it gives you error. I don't know why, but you can test it. You can edit it, you can share it, you can download it from here, but you select it. If you select it, as you can see, it's maybe tells we have no motion, that you have to assign any motion to here. Okay, select it, going to the motion. As you can see, we have a lots of free motion that you can click on a purchase, then checkout is free. And for example, you can assign such a this motion to your Mario. It's very simple. As you can see, its navigation of this preview is exactly like AccuRIG. You can change different lighting, it's just for visualization of that. Different lighting, different character for this, and then you can download that motion. I think it's a bug because I don't know why it does not match our character. It does not create our Mario. You test it and let me know, is this correct for you? I don't know why I can upload correct. It shows my upload, but it does not assign this. Anyway, you can download your robot for uploaded actor. You have to choose the targeting. And the next. Unfortunately, I think it's a bug. I cannot go to upload actor. I don't know why it's their website or has a lots of bug. I have to match this. It tells me my previous actor. Anyway, I don't know why, but you can target your software, FPS. You can choose it. Yeah, you can zero root animation if you want. And then you can download that motion. And after that, you can import it on your desired software. Because it's different in any software. We have a different situation for bone and animation. You have to test in your desired software and download. Okay, and then as you can see, this is our motion that we imported to our Cinema 4D. And as you can see, it's a bug because on this website, it doesn't match to our character. I don't know why. The way is that because you have to select your uploaded character and then match it to and match the motion graphic to that. Please test that and let me know how you can do that. These are preset character. It's not my character. I think it's a bad bug. Sorry for that. Please test that and let me know. You have to download the motion and you can simply open your folder. Look at that. This is a download folder. We have two actor. As you can see, download a wrong actor and the wrong motion. This is a previous character that I uploaded here. Going to the character. This is my character. And it does not understanding. Okay, this is uploaded character. As you can see, this is our Mario. It does not understanding. I don't know why. As you can see, we have lots of error to loading. Okay, test it and let me know. I hope you enjoy this software, but you can simply export it and do it animation and rigging your software. The main purpose of this software is done, and you can export your bone and your rig, and then you can import it in your desired software and do other works there. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.